Hey guys, today I'll be showing you my slime. And I actually got this today. That's lotion. My mom's actually. I just used it to put in this. It's actually really good. Doesn't have a good click, but it's a good slime for a slime kit. And it's actually kind of hard because when I put the nail polish in, not the nail polish. Why would I put nail polish in my slime? The lotion in, it actually kind of made it harder. But I know with other slimes, it makes it like if you overactivate, yeah. A bunch of stars just flew. I'm not kidding. Ta-da! Didn't get swirl on my fingers. That was unexpected. Colson, my friend, he put a lot of stars in here. I'm gonna put this in its container, and I'll be back when it softens up. Okay, guys, so it softened up. I almost dropped it, but I didn't. It's actually a pretty good slime. Like, it rips. But that's because I added lotion to it. It wasn't probably the lotion that it wanted or needed. And just blah. It made it horrible. But I still like it. It's a good texture. Although it's a little oily. Oh, by the way, it's blue. Didn't know. It's a nice blue. I like it. Oh, shit, it's the nails. I have a star on my nail, and I don't like it. Oh, well, that's gonna stick to me forever. Guess. Because my mom and dad are fighting. Okay. Enough of that. clear anymore. It's got some holes in it. It's actually pretty stretchy if you stretch it fast. Okay, ready? Yes, we're gonna swirl. Wait. Ah, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna do that for you. Okay. That's gonna close up this video. Hope you subscribe, like, comment down below what you want me to do next. And the shout out today goes to how about Jenna Hale? Yeah, I think that fits. Jenna Hale. If you want a shout out, just make sure to when you're done with this video, make sure to comment down below blue to get a shout out. Okay, I love you. I love you, Fancy World. Bye. Peace out.